Mm. Oh, really? It's gonna take me a while. It's gonna take me a while. Welcome back to another video. Okay. I'm trying to at least get this recording. So, yeah. After this, I'm gonna just hop on Fortnite with him, play for a little bit, and then that should be it. And, yeah, let's go into the vid. This is my setup for today. It's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. This does mad damage to Titans. This does a lot of damage to Titans. This one is like good against one person. So I guess for Titans as well, maybe. This one is good to be literally invincible for a certain amount of time. I might have to switch her out though. Because I'm okay getting tired of me always have to heal. So yeah. And you got that guy, he's broken as well. And then this one. Oh. I gotta switch something out. I mean, it's gonna take like basically 30 seconds. Not even. Where is it? This one. Bro, I need heal. Defense system. Sure. Let's see. Alright. This video, I'm gonna make it like 22 minutes long. Try to make it 22 minutes long. I don't know. Hopefully get a couple good matches and yeah. Shooting. You know what, fuck it. We lost this match. I'm not winning this. And like, I hate the fact even if the match is over, you cannot report them. Because basically, these are not actual accounts. They're just usernames that they use for people to test the shit out. And then they get all their comments and all the rest of the shit from literal other accounts like Facebook and Instagram and all that. They got Snapchat maybe, I don't know. Other stuff. And I'm lagging. Which is not surprising. But, yeah. I just try to get this recording from my cousin, and yeah, I just don't want to record it with family members. I want to like target this in this game is literally I don't know how to play this shit. Fuck.
You kill people like 4 times, you're dead. Because that I killed.
What time am I at? Right now I'm in the bathroom recording this shit because like low-key it's like probably one of the most quiet places, bro. My fucking nephew is like it's like a bug that like just goes around you all fucking day. I ain't gonna lie. It's kinda what it is, but you know, I still love him, bro. So it's whatever. But that's basically what it is. Bro just goes around the day. It's like honestly kinda bothers me, but and then I get fucking laid. Are you shitting me right now? bullshit, bro. Yo, I could not sit you, bro. Teammate sold me, bro. Like, bro, he actually sold. I don't think I got enough time for this. It's like a whole ass gameplay. I don't think I'm gonna make this. That's all the gameplay. So I'm gonna just explain some of this shit. Just yap. And that's probably it. And then I'm gonna post this on YouTube and then I'm gonna make another build. And yeah. Alright. So what I had in mind for this one was even for rooks, I thought the slowness was going to be enough so they can't move around or turn and then I could just get right behind them. But I was wrong because they could still fucking move. So, I don't know, they got rid of that shit. They made it so that people probably can't, well, robots can't fucking move slow enough. They probably decreased that shit. And I had this so I can deal with I forgot what that was called. Devourers. Deal with the devourers and, yeah. And it was all damage. But it didn't really work the way I had it in mind, but it is what it is. This build is meant for just any of these guys try to jump on me. I could just kill them that quick with these weapons. Literally. And then I just have this just so that, well, I can have build up some more damage to protect me for the more damage I do. This, I heal back the great damage, and I get defense bonuses. And well, I guess whatever the speed is for the armadillo. I went with defense so I can have more shield regeneration and all that. Leech, I thought about doing the damage pilot just so that if these guys jump on me, they do more damage to themselves, but they really worked the way I wanted to, so it is what it is. I went with the health, and I think the health was better. I didn't think I showed enough gameplay of it, I'm gonna be honest, but it's alright. And, well, literally just everything on one. All the new shit. Yeah. Then the backfire slow him down, do the percentage damage, and yeah, that was really it. Now I'm gonna get into the weapons. The weapons are, wait, if I do it, doesn't this one give me like more detail? No, it just says the shot. The other one gives me more detail. This one, yeah. Alright, they're energy weapons. They are direct weapons, so they can only shoot at one thing. They slowly shoot all their ammo, and weapon shoots all ammunition and reloads. That's basically it. And then the damage is actually good. The percentage damage is just basically like you do 2% of the enemy robot's health. Well, no. You do 2% bonus damage and it stacks up all the way on the enemy that you're shooting, basically. And then 500 range and 7 reload speed. A DLC plasma weapon that deals energy and precision percentage damage. Oh, holy shit, I'm slow. Percentage damage to enemies by triggering half-life or material destruction, and medium to close range. So yeah, the robot, the first ever like literally sword robot that's meant for close quarter combat. Experimental technology of DSC components. The component's energy has developed a new mechanism for multiplayer movement, which allows combination of robots with swords. The result was the Union is the robot sword unit 90. Sword unit 190. Holy shit. Which is the real blade of the Miplish Sunshine sword easily cuts through enemy shields and becomes stronger from damage received in the absorber for maximum efficiency on the battlefield. Alright, so to put it simply, it can go through all the shields, even physicals probably as well. And the Zorba shield, that little purple thing, if you shoot it and then he jumps on you, he gets bonus damage for that sword, which stacks. I think that's what it said, but I don't remember fully. But that's basically what it does. Skyfall slash unit takes flight, leaves the beacon, and teleportation below itself accelerates and achieves the absorber shield around it. Flight robot weapons activate dealing percentage damage. Upon reactivating the ability, robot makes a dash and begins the attack. What? What? Yes. Literally give me like 2 minutes, bro. Alright, so basically, oh fuck, that little shitty thing right there, it shoots the percentage damage as well, unless you hit the second ability again. So when you first click it, when you're on the ground, you go in the air, you dash forward, and then you get the absorber shield, which I was talking about, that gives you bonus damage for the sword. And when you're in the flight mode, before you decide to hit the ability again to dash at the person, it shoots percentage damage with its built-in weapon. So yeah, and that's really it. And then here's the drone. Plasma bite fires along with the robot's percentage. Deals percentage damage to enemies. So it does the same shit for the weapons. Robots effective time. Drones output damage to the robot effects time. So it just gives additional damage. Absorber shield is built-in weapon accumulates a lockdown effect on its opponents. When it's a fight, accumulates increased damage. Okay, so in the air, accumulates more damage, and on the absorber, it has a chance to lock people down. So yeah, and then the pilot, if people are below health, just like the Lynx, it can instant kill them. So yeah, that's it. And then literally the ground. I'll say all that shit tomorrow with the new robot, the Arthur, the Ultimate Arthur. And yeah, that's it. So that's the end of it. And peace. Damn, bro, that took longer than I wanted to. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, blissful week, blissful school, Easter break, some shit like that. And that's it. And today I actually didn't scream at all. So it is what it is. Alright, peace.